this video, we are going to write a program that will determine if a department store customer has exceeded the credit limit on a charge account with a starting balance of 10,000 pesos. Okay, now begin with include isostream as always, followed by the using namespace as td so that we can use names for object and variables from our standard library. Next, leave a space for line 3 input int main. Then next begin with the function call and we shall begin with int option and inputting the ACC number. In addition, we also input the start balance which is equals to 10,000 peso. Next is by inputting double. This is used for calculation in programming to eliminate error when a decimal is being rounded up. Then, leave a space for line 9. Again, the next step is to begin with quote enter your account number followed by scene ACC number. Then next, leave a space for line 12. Next is the encoding switch ACC number open and close parentheses which is to select one of the many code blocks to execute it. Begin with an open function call then space. Next, input case, then a 5-digit random number. In choosing the random number, we use the day of our birthday. Next, input case, which is the name and the starting balance. And do not forget to input the endl, which is used to insert a new line of characters. Then break and do it repeatedly till you have enough users to input. Then end with the default, which can be used if the calling statement does not pass an argument, and to be followed by quote account unavailable. Then return 0, then space, and then close function call. Next, the amount that will be paid with a credit card will be the next step. Begin with code, enter number 1 or 2, followed by scene option, then followed by speech option again, open and close parentheses. Then next step, we shall input two cases, begin with an open function call, then case 1, space out credited amount in Philippine peso, then start balance, then end out. And we input the formula on the next number where credit limit is equal to start balance minus start balance, open and close parentheses. Then to be followed by with another command with the text of credit limit available, Philippine peso, credit limit, then break. For case number 2, quote with the text of the credit amount, then sign amount to pay, which means amount to pay, then followed by the formula, which is equal to the credit limit is equals to the start balance minus amount to pay. Then leave a space for line 51. Okay, our next step is begin with the switch, open and close parentheses, start balance greater than amount to pay. Insert an open function call where we will put another case if the credit limit is exceeded. Next, begin with case 1. Then start with the text of the credit limit available. Credit and then limit. Then follow with the break command. Space, then default space. Quote with a message. Credit limit exceeded. Then break and end with a close function call. To make sure that the program will run, we will input another default with a checkbox with the text of no option. And then, lastly, put return 0. Then space out and close the function call. Then another return 0 and space and end it with a close function call.